Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely stunning Honda CB400 Four. Here we have a Honda CB400 Four. This is a 1978 machine on a T plate with just 3,889 miles, 4 owners from new, and this bike was owned by its previous keeper for 31 years. This is a stunning unrestored Honda CB400 Four, super collectible. It really is in lovely condition, this bike. As you can see, the mudguard there, absolutely perfect condition. The indicators, there's no corrosion anywhere. The rear wheel, the spokes, the shock absorbers, the subframe, all in fantastic order there. Plenty of life left in that rear tyre. It has had a recent rebuild of the carburetors and flush through the fuel system. Runs absolutely superbly well. In the yellow, of course, stunning looking bike. No corrosion on those downpipes. I mean, just look at them. Absolutely as clean as a whistle. Engine bars there as well. All your engine nice and clean. No damage on the bar ends, all the mirrors, all the levers. Front indicators, again, fantastic condition. No corrosion on the front forks or pitting. And again, that front wheel in superb order. Front tyre, plenty of life left in that one as well. And the front mudguard, no corrosion, no spots of rust or anything there at all. There's those downpipes, just look at them, thing of beauty. We'll come around to the left-hand side of the bike. Now, that is very, very clean indeed. You've got the levers, bar ends and mirrors there, which are again unmarked, likewise the indicators, and the left fork stanchion again as clean as the right. No corrosion anywhere on there at all. Absolutely nothing to apologise for from a point of view of any corrosion on this bike. It really is in lovely order. As I said, the chap we got this from had owned it for 31 years, so the provenance is excellent. Loads of MOT history, the mileage is backed up by those MOTs. The only sort of blemish, if you like, on this entire motorcycle, there is a small dent in the tank just there, which has been colour matched, so you don't notice it. Unfortunately, obviously, parts getting quite hard to come by on this, so a repair is the best you can do. Got that Monza style fuel cap there as well, and those traditional dials. Electric start, of course, it starts every time on the button. It's an absolutely lovely little bike. This is a real gem. If you're looking for a collectible Japanese motorcycle, then this is one definitely to take a look at. This is an absolutely stunning Honda CB400 Four. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our modern classics are prepared to MOT standard and have a thorough mechanical inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning Honda CB400 Four, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.